Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Huawei P10 Lite. And to do this, first we'll need to open a SIM slot on the left side of our phone. Now inside we can find one SIM slot right here. One SIM slot right here, and actually that's it. Or maybe we can insert the second SIM card right here on the other side. We'll try. It fits nicely, so probably it actually does have the dual SIM slot. Now let's check inside the settings. But it didn't detect the actual SIM card. I'm gonna also check the website, our own website, reset.info, since we can find out there the information that we want as well. So it seems that this device does have the dual SIM slot, but this specific device might be broken since it didn't detect my SIM card when I placed it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.